Today, we're breaking down 9 machines that everyday people are buying and turning into legitimate income streams. For just $2,000 a month, you can start building your future today. We're talking everywhere, from a couple $1,000s a month, all the way up to 10 grand a month. And our final entry on this list? The owners took this machine to their local farmers market and built it into a business now pulling in over $500,000 a month in sales. So let's get into it. 9 machines people are using to build real income. Quick disclaimer before we dive in. I'm simply breaking down these businesses for you. None of this is a guarantee of success or income. Always do your own homework. My goal is just to get the gears turning for you. Machine number 1 is the cotton candy vending machine. Kids muted. Walk up, peer inside, and watch the whole thing happen live. A robotic arm spins the candy right in front of them and hands it out through a little window. Wow, it's coming out! Thank you! The best part? It runs completely on its own, churning out cotton candy around the clock. Dak Downey was 22 and still in college when he tried to get a pizza vending machine placed somewhere and kept getting turned down. That's when he stumbled onto this cotton candy machine instead. He placed his first one, it took off, and now he's got 10 machines scattered across amusement parks in Florida, California, and Texas. He's on pace for $500,000 in revenue this year. His very first machine paid for itself in just a few weeks. That one early win snowballed into a real operation. Machine number 2 is the laser cleaning machine. Rust, paint, grease, built-up carbon, point this thing at it, pull the trigger, and it disappears. No chemicals, no scrubbing, no taking anything apart. This is the same tech that's been used to restore some of the world's most priceless artifacts. The hieroglyphics at Luxor Temple is a 3,500-year-old Egyptian obelisk, ancient Mesopotamian pieces housed at the Penn Museum. We're talking museum-grade restoration technology that regular entrepreneurs can now access. Most owners run this as a mobile service. Load the machine into a van or trailer and drive to the client. Think auto restoration shops, metal fabricators, antique dealers, even cities maintaining public buildings. Going rates run $100 to $200 an hour, while the machine itself costs roughly 60 cents an hour in electricity. A survey of 47 operators found average first-year revenue around $127,000, with 85% profitable within 18 months. Machine number 3 is the freeze dryer. This is going to change everything. This one's genuinely wild. A freeze dryer strips nearly all the moisture from food. Toss in Skittles and they puff up into these light, crunchy, totally different candies. See? Totally different. That taste nothing like the original, and people go crazy for them. Aubrey Sink, from Florence, Kentucky, launched this business at just 14. By 16, she had 8 freeze dryers running and 25 employees. With her candy landing shelf space at the Cincinnati Zoo, Kings Island, and theme parks nationwide. Her starting capital? Just $5,000 saved from selling jam at a farmer's market. Buy Skittles in bulk for around $2 a pound, freeze dry them, and sell them for $16 to $25 a pound. And that same pound resells for $16 to $25, basically a 10x markup. Machine number 4 is the flower vending machine. Picture this. It's 11 p.m., someone walks into a hospital lobby, and there's a vending machine full of fresh flowers. Tap a card, and the flowers drop right out. These machines are popping up in hospitals, airports, and venues where crowds spill out after a show. It's still a new concept in the US, but it's already proven itself in other countries. Operators buy a refrigerated touchscreen-controlled machine with humidity and temperature regulation, then restock 2 or 3 times a week with fresh flowers. Machines run $8,000 to $15,000. A well-placed unit can profit $3,000 to $6,000 a month. Royal Flora Holland launched Flora Go, now running in 6 countries. Japan alone has over 2,300 of these machines. Machine number 5 is the hydro dipping machine. This one's almost magic to watch. Take an object, a game controller, a firearm, whatever, and just dip it in. Dip it into a hydro dipping tank, and a printed film wraps itself perfectly around every curve and edge. Pull it out and it looks factory finished. Operators invest in a tank, spray booth, proper ventilation, and hydrographic film. Then charge per piece, around $40 for gaming controllers, $75 for firearms, $200 to $500 for custom jobs. Barry Nelson, a retired law enforcement officer from Wisconsin, discovered hydrographic film in a catalog. He bought a machine and got certified through TTWN Industries in Miami, one of the field's main certification hubs. And business has grown so much, he's now expanding into a 9,000 square foot space. Machine number 6 is the rug tufting gun. $250 tool that shoots yarn through fabric backing at high speed to create custom rugs, wall art, and home decor. Before now, almost nobody outside a carpet factory had ever seen one of these. Then TikTok discovered it. The hashtag now has billions of views. And tufting workshops are springing up everywhere. A full starter kit, gun, frame, yarn, materials, runs $400 to $800. But the real money is in workshops. Charge $80 to $150 per person, run 8 to 10 people per session. Materials cost $20 to $30 per person. That's $400 to $1,200 profit from a single 2-hour class. Tim Ides built Tuft the World in Philadelphia into a full ecosystem. Machines, supplies, workshops, and a 10,000-member community. It's still an early trend, and plenty of cities don't have a tufting workshop yet, meaning there's still room to plant a flag. Machine number 7 is the gum removal machine. What does it do? Strips gum off sidewalks. There are an estimated 300 million pieces of stuck gum scattered across sidewalks, parking garages, stadiums, and schools nationwide. It's a problem nobody wants to touch, which is exactly why it keeps piling up, until someone with the right equipment shows up. Commercial units use high-pressure steam to melt gum away without damaging the surface underneath. Watch the transformation. Owners load the machine, sometimes backpack style, sometimes wheeled, into their vehicle and drive from job to job. Stadiums, schools, and restaurants tend to be repeat clients. Machines run a few $1,000s up to $7,500. Some operators land stadium contracts worth up to $50,000 a year. Dwayne Cummins started Gumbusters in Washington, D.C., cleaning locations like the U.S. Capitol, the Watergate Hotel, and the National Mall. Machine number 8 is the ice cream rolling machine. You've probably seen this on social media. Pour liquid ice cream base onto a steel plate chilled to -30°C. Mix in whatever flavors the customer wants, then use metal spatulas to scrape it into these perfect little rolls. The whole process takes about 3 minutes and is mesmerizing to watch. Everyone stops, everyone films it. This is a farmer's market and event business through and through. The visual spectacle does the marketing for you. Machines cost $400 to $1,200. Ingredients run 50 cents to $1 per cup. Finished cups sell for $7 to $12, a 91% gross margin on materials. Katie Pohl launched Sozu rolled ice cream at a single farmer's market, blending French-style custard with the Thai rolling technique. Her following grew so loyal that customers rearranged their schedules just to catch her booth. It eventually grew into a full brick-and-mortar shop in the Seattle area. Machine number 9 is the Nut Butter Stone Grinder, and this is the machine behind our $500,000 a month success story. I actually know someone in my own town who built a company off one of these and sold it for over $100 million. To be clear, that's not the expected outcome, but it shows what's possible starting from a genuinely simple machine. Load in raw peanuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios, whatever you want, and a granite stone grinder slowly crushes them into fresh nut butter. No heat, no additives, no preservatives. At farmers markets, people stop and watch the whole process, drawn in by the idea of truly fresh peanut butter. Operators set themselves apart with creative flavors: cinnamon, honey, dark chocolate, sea salt, sriracha. A quality stone grinder runs $4 and $50 800. Raw nuts cost $1.50 to $2 per pound and sell finished for $8 to $10 a pound. Allie Peterson and Craig Mount launched Nutty by Nature back in 2019 with about $2,500, and it went viral. One viral TikTok video pushed them past $500,000 in sales in a single month. Today, they've scaled to 17 additional grinders, over 20 employees, and more than 4,000 jars produced daily. So there you have it, 9 machines that regular people have turned into serious income. But again, buying one of these machines is no guarantee you'll replicate any of these results. These are standout stories, not the typical outcome. That said, what strikes me most is how straightforward and beginner-friendly this path can be. Buy a machine, show up at a farmer's market, and boom, that's your product and your marketing rolled into one. No ad spend, no SEO grind. Just a hands-on, local business that, as we've seen, can scale into something massive. If this kind of content is your thing, unique income ideas, low competition niches, let me know and I'll keep digging up more of these for you.